This is a quick video to show you how to install one of my leading edge Gridomatic light mounts onto the workshop precision adjust. So you can have a very nice little LED light source to see what you're doing with your sharpening. It's a very nice upgrade and makes for much more precise sharpening if you can see what you're doing to your edge. So basically we have a small adapter with a tightening screw which slides onto the top of the workshop frame, right below the adjustment screw. Pop it in place. This screw, lightly tighten that. Don't have to over tighten it, just so it seats nicely and holds onto the frame. Then your sharpening light articulating arm simply screws on or screws into the top of this adapter. And your little LED light will go into the cold shoe mount right here. Slide that in place, tighten this back, and now you have a very nice articulating arm system with a light which can be manipulated into any position you want. Move it around, tighten the screws, loosen these ones to go up and down, tighten these, loosen this one to swivel it around, and basically put it in any position you would like.